Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Today it's another Mike Eats the Street. I'm going back to Taco Bell. I have another one, an old one, where I ate Taco Bell, but I did not eat this. Their Mexican pizza. It's back! And so am I. Let's eat the street.
Welcome to Taco Bell. What can I get for you today?
Hey, can I have a Mexican pizza, please?
Alright, anything else?
A medium diet Mountain Dew with extra ice, please.
Alright.
That's all. Thank you.
Alright, that's going to be $6.45.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
This is the pizza, Mexican pizza from Taco Bell. Take a look at it. We'll do it like this. Take a look at it right there. All right. Now it smells pretty good. It's got beans, it's got meat, it's got cheese, it's got tomatoes, it's some sauce. What do I taste? I taste that sauce. It's not like their packaged sauce. It's more got a bolder taste. Crunchy tortillas. I taste this meat. I don't really like the taco meat that much. Just a little more there. It tastes just like Taco Bell. Everything tastes the same. It's just distributed to you in a different way. Right? This could taste like a regular taco. Let me see what else. Let's try another slice. Okay, there's a pretty slice. Take a look at that. All right, here it goes. That's not bad. It's one of the more expensive things on the menu. I mean, if you're counting your pennies. I better count a few more. But I think back by popular demand, Taco Bell's pizza, Mexican pizza, is back. Tastes pretty good. I'm going to give it about a 7.5. That's not bad. I usually just get a bean and cheese burrito. So that's Mike Eats the Street, Taco Bell, Mexican pizza. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Keep eating the street.
Live life 365.
Good, boom. For all the hubbub, I'd rather just have a bean burrito. That's it. That's all. Does that make me a bad person? I'm not. Don't judge. Papa. Okay, that's all.